Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue our WordPress training for the beginners. If you missed the previous videos, then go to my channel for the previous video. There is playlist for you. Let's continue. So last session we learned what is WordPress, wordpress.com and wordpress.org. In this video we will learn how to install the XAMPP which is required for the WordPress on the local machine. Okay, let's start. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download and install XAMPP and set up WordPress application. Before going to start, first I will tell you why we required XAMPP like software to run the WordPress application. WordPress is the PHP application. It's required PHP and My Sql. XAMPP, WAMP and MAMP are the installer package which comes with the Apache server installer, PHP and My Sql. Mostly WAMP used for Windows, MAMP used for Mac OS and XAMPP for any platform like Linux, Windows and Mac. I always like XAMPP and I am using this from the start of my career, so I selected XAMPP. If you don't want to use any of this installer package, you can install the Apache, PHP and My Sql separately, but this is not recommended. Okay, let's start installing XAMPP first and then WordPress. Okay. Search download XAMPP in Google. Click on the first link apachefriend.org. As you see here is different version of XAMPP available for download, and it's also available for Mac, Linux. So I'm using here Windows, so I will download it for Windows 64-bit, but it's available for 32-bit here. So I will download this this complete installer. I will download this XAMPP installer. XAMPP is also available for Linux and Mac operating system. As I said previously, we will download XAMPP for Windows for the PHP 7 version plus. Okay, so let's download it. Click on save button, choose the location, and download is started. Okay, download is completed. Let's right click on the download installer and run is at administrator. Sometime our antivirus block the setup, so we will disable our antivirus for 15 minutes and our XAMPP server will set up properly. Click on next, select all the components, then click next. Choose the path where you want to install XAMPP. By default it's C:\XAMPP directory. I installed previous version of XAMPP, so XAMPP directory is not empty. I need to empty it. Now our XAMPP directory is empty. Now click on next. Now click on next. XAMPP setup is started. setup is completed, click on finish. Now opening XAMPP, select the language English. So we successfully installed XAMPP on our PC or our local machine. Now we need here the Apache server and My SQL. Let's make it start. Click on start after Apache and click on start in front of My SQL, so both will be run. So process will be started. Open the browser, type localhost and press enter. Okay, XAMPP is running. Our Apache server is up. Here is the PHP and My admin. Here you can create database for your application. We install the XAMPP in C:\XAMPP folder. So we need to put our WordPress app in HTTP docs folder so we can access it locally. So XAMPP setup is completed. Okay, now we will install WordPress. See you in the next video. Bye.